This is a 44-inch Hampton Bay Hawkins ceiling fan. And this one, of course, has the infamous bowl-shaped light kit, where the pull chain, you can see it there, and it just comes down in the air. Yeah, that black part there, that's one thing I actually like about the tarnished bronze Hampton Bay Hawkins fan. Light bulbs in there, some LEDs. Daylight 5000K LEDs, of course. And here's low. Blades are pretty out of whack. I don't know if you can, pretty sure you can see it on camera. The motor housing on this one, I know, actually just twists into place according to the instructions and some videos on YouTube. Is it just me, or is it wobbling a tiny bit? I can't tell. This fan is in my parents' room in the vacation house in Arizona. Wobbles a tiny bit, huh? I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. Well, that's it for this fan. Like, share, and subscribe, and goodbye.